maximum per capita income in India, that means income per head we calculate, that is in Goa. So from there, when I was about to go to Mizoram, Honorable Prime Minister advised me, don't quarrel with the people there, because the people are there. They fought against India about 35 years. War situation, with the help of China and others. But people are coming to our fold, Indian fold, and now nationalism is slowly spreading. But I found that people are good at heart. I can very well say the roads are not national highway type. Small roads are there. Suppose we are going by car, not governor's car alone. Even old people, suppose they want to go speedily, then no need of any horn is required. Just you raise your accelerator, that something is sufficient. That the people there, they will stop the vehicle and allow you go. And just like that, in every family, that courtyard is here also, in everywhere, Kerala, here, everywhere. In the morning, our mother or sister or family members are first karma they are doing is clean their courtyard. Rich people here, poor people there. Then last year's happiest index in India, there is a study, Happy Index. We are publishing a poll. So the Happy Index, Mizoram is in topmost position, first state in India, happy. So happiest state, according to the last year's study of Happy Index, Mizoram is number 1. Mizoram's position, Goa's position, now I am the Goa's counter, I am not, I know, but I am not stating here. So happiness on the one part and richness on the other part. Is richness alone is sufficient for happiness? If you think about our Mahatma Gandhi, who is the cultured person ever seen by our country in the last century? Majority of the people of India would say Gandhiji. But the Gandhiji has no big house. A lady who is clearing her courtyard of his or her house, immediately she will clean work done in the road portion of the public road portion also. Such a type of people are there. But financially they are poor. But culturally and their dedication, their service to fellow human beings, I would like to say they are in a higher realm. So, as a governor in one place, poorest place. Now I am governor in one of the richest states in India. And the people are also good here. Within these 3 months, I realized that people are. And I want to go to the people. I don't want to remain with our secretary and staff inside that Rajabhavan. Of course, Rajabhavan is a restricted area. If you are coming, you can immediately enter there. So the restrictions are there. I don't want to go to that aspect. But I have decided to go to the people, and that is why within these 3 months I had occasion to come across various parts of the state and mingle with the people. And my experience, of course, I am succeed in my attempts and I am satisfied with the people here.
Precious time. I thank all the dignitaries on the dais for being present for the function. I also thank the media, police department, and all
gifts too. ऐसा लगता है जो लेखक होते हैं, कवि होते हैं, वही सर्वदेव होते हैं। और ये जो महिलाश्रम है, ऐसे संस्था
Today in Rome, Sarva Dharma Samabha. If we go through the history, only one tradition which says Sarva Dharma Samabha. Egam Sat Vipra Veguda Vadanti. Truth is one. Going by various ways, various rivers that are reaching the sea finally. So the entire world, Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. These types of thought propounded before the people from time immemorial, Anadi Yuga onwards. This was done by our people. But our tradition and other things due to foreign rule. In other parts it is Britishers, here Portuguese people, or in my dear place, Malayali place, Mahi, French people. Such types of people tried their level best to finish our culture, tradition. But even we overcome such a situation and reach in the present stage. So this organization is concerned only very little, because there is no application of the things. Without any application, our secretary decided to give it to you. And Gomandak Loka Seva Trust, his name itself would give a message. Gomandak Lok Seva Trust. Gomandak's meaning, Lok Seva also, Seva. Vishwabhuddha Parishad is concerned. It started by Swami Chinmayananda and others. That moment I was a boy at that time. I know what was a message by Guruji and other sannyasis assembled at that time by starting Vishwa Hindu Parishad. So our country is growing day by day. We are about to achieve the goal of Vishwa Guru Stan for our mother country. And I am saying maximum we will do for others, service to others, and this will be a good starting. And you are at liberty to come to Rajabhavan and talk to our secretary and other officials there. And I would like to say, culture is a mental concept. If your mind is filled with the feelings of others, you are prepared to share. You are prepared to dedicate yourself to that cause. According to me, for the valuation of a cultured person, what you are doing for the fellow other human beings? What will be your approach to nature? What will be your approach to the poor people? What you are dedicating for them? These are all criteria to be looked into while considering those aspects. Rajbhavan's present attempt is go to the people as far as possible and some funds available there should be shared to the needy people. And dialysis concern, last month 17, our Rajbhavan secretary declared that in the name of our Honorable Prime Minister's 71st birthday, 71 service organizations like this, old age home, Balashram, and all religious groups, not confined to any religion, one religion alone. For all of them, we are 71 such centers. Our secretary is first, today also, he reached here before my arrival, and yesterday also they contacted, and our state president of BJP and the organization secretary, both of them informed me that there is such an organization, and I think you have not applied for that, not applied. But because of their suggestion, we are bound by that, and here always our Rajbhavans good wishes are with you. Not only good wishes alone, some financial aid also we can within our limits we are extending, and as far as one category of the patients, that is dialysis patients, in a week.
For simple playgroup activities for children from the local village. As you are aware, sir, this kind of dedication
The fellow human beings and even to the nature. That is a basic commitment of all human beings according to our Bharatiya concept. Of course, Rajbhavan, our Rajbhavan secretary, who is always traveling to various places and find out the organization like this, and our cooperation and support from the Rajbhavan we are extending. Now I am the governor of a beautiful state. Goa is considered as the best. People are good at heart. Environment are also like that, and various religious denominations are cordially residing here. This is a place where no communal rights, and politically also somewhat peaceful atmosphere is existing in this state. So that is why, under my estimation, this is one of the best states in India, and people from all walks of life, from all over the world, they are rushing to Goa. Of course, presently because of the pandemic situation, it is not in its full strength. Prior to my appointment here, about 2 years, I was in place Mizoram as the governor.
donations from generous contributions from charitable institutions, individual philanthropists, and CSR activities, and an annual grant from the government grant from the Department of Women and Child Welfare. For example, in December 2020, we received a large grant from State Bank of India in kind, consisting of sewing machines and a vehicle. The Gomandak Lok Seva Trust has recently also received a donation of a plot of land of about 4,000 square meters at Kasar Varne, near the new Mopa airport, where we plan to start construction of a Vruddhashram, a home for senior citizens. With divine grace and dedicated hard work by our service-oriented volunteers, we hope to make it a place of calm repose for any needy persons of advanced age who are unable to find family support. We have already started providing medical support in that area in the form of rented Fowler beds and wheelchairs to the needy people.
Happy this organization, a happy future. Thank you very much. Jai.
Form the local organizing committee, along with some guidance from the trustees. The ashram also has an Udyog Kendra, wherein inmates are involved in several activities such as tailoring, knitting, crochet, making paper bags and other